Hello, dear students. My name is Veronica, and yesterday I uploaded a video about how to learn Russian alphabet. And today I would like to continue talking about this theme, and I will show you, I hope you see, I will show you a picture of our Russian alphabet. So, yesterday I talked about letters A, B. We pronounce it with two lips, B. And V. We pronounce it with lip and teeth, V. Also, I talked about G, G. And I stopped at letter D, D. Okay, so today I would like to continue and start from letter this one. We pronounce it like ye. Be careful because we have here two sounds. First is y and second is e. Ye, ye, ye. For example, we have word евро. Евро, it's a currency in Europe. And also we have the word, for example, Елена. Елена. It's a name for a woman. Елена. Okay, then we have very similar letter. It's your. It looks like yeah, but with two funny dots on the top. Yeah, it's two funny dots. Yes. So here again, two sounds, y and o. Yo. For example, we have a word hedgehog. Yours. And the word fish, some species of fish, yours. Okay. Then we have this funny and very, very Russian letter. Looks like a star, actually, but we pronounce it like zh, zh, zh. In English, normally people write it like this, zh, zh. Okay. Zh. Then we have z, z, z. Yeah. For example, z. Зеленый, зеленый, зеленый. They are a little bit similar, zh and z. But if you say this one, zh, for example, this is your teeth, this is your teeth, and this is your plate. When you say zh, your tongue is somewhere here. Zh. When you say z, you need to move your tongue down to your border, let's say border of the teeth. So it should be somewhere here, z, like a mosquito. Z. Okay. Then we have this very familiar letter E. E. But be careful here because when you want to write it, it is similar to English N, but in Russian it is not N, it is E. Okay. Then we have E with a funny thing, with a funny hat, how my students say. It is Y. 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 For example, in English, you have wonderful word yogurt. Yogurt. It starts with Y. And also, these letters, these two letters, when you pronounce them, they also start from this sound Y. Let's try to remember. Ye, your, and y, y. Okay, so maybe we repeat from beginning. A, b, v, g, d, e, ё, ж, z, и, y. And then there is surprise, surprise, very easy to remember, k, k, k. Very similar to English, I guess. Then we have this, l, l, l. And for some students, it can be very difficult because l, we have two different L. First, we have, sorry, it's a brush. We have L soft and L hard. For example, soft is l, 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 and hard is l, l, l. So what do you do? Here is, again, your teeth and plate, yeah? And when you say l, 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 hard, your tongue can be here or here, l, 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 l. But if you want to say, here is plate, if we remember, if we say soft, l, your tongue should not connect with your teeth. Tip of the tongue should be on the palate. L, l, l. Let's try. L, 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 l. Okay, and let's try hard word. For example, stall, stool, and soft. Lena, Lena, or also a nickname Lena, Lena, Lena. Hard one, Laura, Laura. Soft one, Lera, Lera, Laura, Lera. Okay, and a few easy, let's say, letters. Then we have M, 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 mama, да, mama. For example, it means mother in the Russian language. Then we have N, 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 N. Be careful because it looks like H in European languages, but in Russian language it is not H, it is N, N, N. And then we have O, O, O. For example, окно, окно, no. Okay. And let's repeat from the beginning, because in Russian language we say repetition is mother of studying. It's our Russian proverb. Let's start from beginning. A, B, V, G, D, Е, Ё, Ж, Z, И, Й, К, Л, М, Н, О. O. And a few words about this letter. Might be its unique letter. I guess in English, yes, you don't have this writing, but you have the sound. This letter is P, P, P. And this is false friend. Yeah, it looks like English P, but it is not. It is R, R, R. Yes, yes. And you need to roll Russian R. It's funny, but you can take, for example, something like even this brush and try to say it R, R, Yes, you need to roar like a lion. Normally, English people, they skip this r, or they say it like back, like teeth, and palate, and you say it somewhere here, r, r. But it should be more close to this and more rolling. R. If it is interesting, might be I can make a video about how to say Russian r correctly, if you need it. Let me know, please. Then we have it's important to know that some students, for example, from Spanish countries, Spanish-speaking countries, or German-speaking countries, they can mix s and z. Also, yeah, s and z, s, z. The difference is very easy because s we have without any voice, yeah, and z we say it with voice. For example, собака, собака, замша, собака, замша, солдат, забор, собор. It's very important to say it correctly because it can, if you say it wrong, people cannot understand you sometimes. For example, zabor with this letter, zabor means fence, and sabor with this letter, sabor, means totally different. It is cathedral. So if you say, let's meet at zabor, it means you meet at near the fence. And if you say, let's meet at the sabor, means let's meet at the cathedral. And it's totally different, as you understand. Yes. And then we have this easy letter, t, 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 t. T, t. Da. The difference in English letter is if you say it in English, again, here are your teeth, and then palate. If you say English, t, t, your tongue is somewhere here, t, 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 tip of the tongue. If you say Russian, t, it should be here, t, 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 t. Let's try with a to say it English first and then Russian. T, 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 t. I hope you can hear something. And let's try with a vowel. First English again and then Russian. T, ta, 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 ta. Or let's try a soft variant. T, 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 T. I hope you can understand something from this video. And next time I will talk about these letters, and some of them are very unique and very Russian, let's say, and very difficult, but I will try to explain it as easy as I can. And maybe like the last thing, let's repeat from the beginning. A, B, V, G, D, E, Ё, Ж, Z, I, Y, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T. Okay, see you, I guess, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. See you soon. I will try to make videos quite regular. I hope every day, but we will see. See you.